Hey guys, it's me, Alex Xavier. And today, I'm sorry if I haven't made a video for a little while. I've been really busy with school and catching up with my work. So sorry for the wait of uploading. I've been pretty busy with school. And yeah, I'm pretty also I was supposed to post the Altec Lansing Hydrotech speaker, but I forgot. I usually forget. I'm lazy. So let's open this up. Package looks clean to me. Had to cover it, so here we are. I could just open this right away. Alright, nothing else in there. Don't know what this is, but it's a randomized number. And here it is. Nothing else but the phone. The SafetyNet Wireless X4 Storm. Let's give it a boot. Also, I remember Steven's phones doing this in a startup and shutdown. I wanted one of these, so I got one myself. This was the last one on eBay. So if you want, get one, but unfortunately, you have to find one on a different website. Sorry. Of course, the China Mobile Startup. Of course, it's that China Mobile Startup. I do remember that sound since. I remember that China sound since 2018. Yeah, it was the Wish sound. I'll call it a Wish sound. I've heard this one since like 2018. God. Yes, I do remember this sound since 2018. Oh, the applications look different. It just go from B to Y. That's a little different. Looks pretty good, honestly. Honestly, this one's a rare device. X4 Storm, Android 6.0, which is Android Marshmallow. Oh yeah, this one looks a little reminds me of Flappy Bird. It also reminds me of that one Flappy Bird game in Blookit. Am I able to beat it? Oh, two. Guess my record's two. One time in the Lollipop version, my record was like three or four. I don't remember. Dial sound test. Here we go. I know I hear the dial sounds, but they're quiet. But all I hear is the loud vibration. Yep, it needs a new SIM. Looks pretty much charged. 96. Not bad, honestly. Let's give it a camera test. Just for a little reference. See how it is. Not the greatest, but I would say it's a good phone. Well, it is. I don't really recommend it because it's just some sort of a slow software. I don't know. Some of these older Android phones just have very slow softwares. Even my J3 Prime that I downloaded, Geometry Dash Lite, was it took a little while for it to download because software wasn't really that good. But this one's much of an older version. But let's go ahead and test out the sounds. What's its default one? Of course, that's the default one. They're pretty loud. And I will be back. I'm going to get two other phones that look identical to this one. So stay tight. Alright guys, I'm back. I got two other phones that looks identical to these. Honestly, these are the same models. Let's see what this one is. This is the Life Wireless X444 Drive 2 and the True Connect X444 Drive 2. These are the same models. They're the same but different. They're basically the same but different brands. Honestly, just triplets of the phones. honestly, these are just triplets of them of themselves. Look at this. This one it looks the same, but this one's a different model. Both of these are a different model. Oh, this one's already dead. What? How did this one die already? I've charged. Oh, probably it drained. I didn't charge it enough, so I'll go put it in my box. This is where I keep most of them. Right here and here. I took out the S2s because it was on this one was on top of this one, so I took it out. I know the Drive 2s are the Drive 2 in Storm. Yeah, they're this one looks the same as the Drive 2s, but this one's a different brand. They're different brands, but this one's a different model too. Swipe to unlock. Very. Let me see. This one has a interesting lock screen. Never seen some sort of lock screen like this before. Have you guys seen this before? Me, I have not. Well, pretty good device. And rare. This is my only SafetyNet wireless device. And yep. And these are my two switches. I will be playing Mario Kart 8 on this one, probably on my gaming channel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to unbox this phone just to give y'all a look. And yep. Look very the SafetyNet X4 Storm Life Wireless X4 Drive X444 Drive 2 and TrueConnect X444 Drive 2. They're all the same, but the TrueConnect and the Life Wireless are the same model, but different brands. This one is the different model, but this one it's also a different brand and different model. I guess this one makes it different, and the two others are just the same but with different brands. So, yep. If any of you guys have this phone, just let me know, cause I did see Steven's phones, doing a startup and shutdown of it. It was pretty cool, honestly. And yep, I don't see he's selling it on eBay. His user is Lugia's Phones, but he's only selling the battery. I'm guessing that the phone itself doesn't work. I'm guessing he's selling only the battery because the phone itself doesn't work. Who knows? It probably doesn't work. So this was the last one on eBay on stock. So yeah, let me know if you guys get one of these. Yeah, they're just pretty hard to get. I got myself hands on one. Now this is my only SafetyNet wireless. I'll never get rid of this thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye bye.